Hello, Robbie Susan Chandler here from RobbieSusansCardsandCrafts.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator who lives in Tallahassee, Florida. Well, actually Quincy, Florida, right outside Tallahassee, Florida. If you're interested in home classes, I teach classes in my home every 2 weeks. I'd love to have you come join me. Today I'm not going to share a card with you. I want to share one of our kits that Stampin' Up! Has just released. And it's really very pretty. I just wanted to share it so you could see what it looked like in real life. And the name of the kit is Layered Landscape. And it's a $25 kit. And in the kit you get these 4 frames and all these cutout pieces to make these pictures. But the pictures really don't do this kit justice. And I'll tell you, it took me all of 30 minutes to put the whole kit, all 4 pieces together. It's basically put together with thick dimensionals, and they send you all the dimensionals that you need to do it. So let's take a look at the actual frames. Here's one. Isn't that gorgeous? Let me hold it up. Can you see the depth there, how the trees are all stand out? Each layer has dimensionals about so thick behind each one, so it pops it out. So here's one that's kind of a lake scene, and look at this mountain scene. Isn't that gorgeous? See, there's all the depth to that one. And then we've got this desert scene. I mean, it's like the whole United States pictures. And then one more. This probably is a mountain scene. The creek's another one. This would be the East Coast mountains. This would be the West Coast mountains. Because our trees are different over here on our mountains. So isn't that lovely? Let's see if I can get all 4 of them in here. There we go. That's about the best I can do. All right, there we go. So aren't those gorgeous? Like I said, it's a $25 kit with plus shipping and handling. And I'll put a link below my video where you can click to order this kit if you'd like to make it. So I just wanted to share this with you. So until next time, happy crafting.